So creamy, so flavorful, so rich with nutrition. Coconut has long been a favorite amongst many for its aroma, taste, and natural goodness. This versatile tropical fruit is now being used as an ingredient in diverse cuisines and innovative product development. We are proud to be at the forefront of coconut product innovation in the form of coconut spread, coconut milk beverages, coconut water, coconut milk, both powder and liquid. Currently, S&P is exporting to over 40 countries, and our vision is to be the world leader in producing premium quality and innovative coconut food products. Fresh coconuts are delivered to the factory every day, and with a fully automated SCADA system, our factory is able to improve on our production quality, prevent unforeseen failures, and avoid downtime. Liquid products are produced using the Tetratherm Aseptic VTIS, a state-of-the-art technology. It is an aseptic processing unit for continuous UHT treatment with direct steam injection. This process preserves the taste, aroma, nutritional values, and extended shelf life products. As a responsible manufacturer, all our products are halal and kosher certified, and our operations management processes and manufacturing plant are certified to ISO 9001, FSSC 22000, US FDA, and HACCP standard. In keeping with our core belief, S&P is committed to sustainability and preserving Mother Nature for our future generation. Recognizing that our business activities can impact communities, S&P continues to work in line with one of the Sustainable Development Goals: responsible consumption and production, investing in wastewater treatment to minimize the pollution of disposals for environmental preservation, to conserve, restore, and replace the natural resources expended in our daily operations. Coconut shells are used as fuel in the biomass boiler to generate energy for production. Innovation is the foundation of our business since 1983. Our R&D experience goes beyond turning innovation into reality with the introduction of plant-based food products that are gluten-free, dairy-free in a convenient form. Understanding the market trends and insights, our dedicated sales and marketing team is always ready to support and add value in meeting your business needs. Customer satisfaction is our utmost priority in all aspects of the products and services we offer. Our core values are centered on integrity, teamwork, striving for excellence, loyalty, trust and respect, passion for our customers, and innovation. Merging sustainability with business growth, S&P aims to be the organization that inspires people, helps enrich life through learning and development, in addition to creating a new generation of leaders for the future. Creating a better tomorrow for the world. Nourishing with coconut.